WHO said nearly 2 billion doses of COVID-19 vaccine secured for equitable distribution. Turkey calls on US to win its friendship instead of imposing unilateral sanctions. Yemen president announces new power-sharing government under Riyadh agreement. The United Nations Security Council has extended UN peacekeeper mandate on Golden Heights for 6 months. India crossed 10 million mark in coronavirus cases. Government arranges 12 LNG cargoes for January to ensure effective load management in winter. Kashmir indigenous people fear India land curb. Bahrain rights organization slams silence on Qatar targeting of local fishermen.